My name is Steve. I just got off the Blizzard Quattro 8.4 Ti. Quattro's a new line of system skis for Blizzard. This is the widest, the 84 waisted ski. I give this 4 out of 5 stars. It's a very strong, stable ski. Very quiet, very good at high speed. I thought it was a little sluggish from edge to edge and into the turn. That's why I only gave it a 4. If you like big, wide open turns, it could be a good ski for you. It wasn't as snappy and quick edge to edge as I like, but the edge hold was great. Turns were nice and wide, very solid, but the transition from turn to turn was also a little on the sluggish side for me.